One day, I was watching Joe Bart on YouTube when I saw him playing a weird game on Steam called The Skid Stapler. The game was kind of weird, so we had to play it. Ah.
Whoa.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
What number is he, bro? Another night
The
in
streets
Ohio.
are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions.
What?
Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall?
How much further can we fall today?
And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city.
Is this like Batman?
Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups.
Oh, is
Me?
Batman trying to kill people?
I just
killing
whisper.
People?
Tuesday.
I think I said that wrong, but it's alright. The skin peeler? Is that the skin peeler right
This
here?
city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn.
Oh, never mind. That's why his voice is so
Who
deep.
am I?
He's smoking cigarettes.
The name's Dick. Detective
Bro.
Dick Slater.
What?
And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in.
What the frizz, bro?
For you. Get down to the station.
Down to the station.
Fine.
That's what
Tell him I'm on my way.
Why does his voice change? It was like it's less deeper. Look at that drip. That's aura. Whoa. Oh god, it's making me feel weird. Holy.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment.
Stale coffee and disappointment.
Let's
Skipping that. I can play now. Can I get in the car? No, I can't. I run fast, totally. Wait, Q to oh, there's nothing. Oh. Oh. Trash.
Hello, Luna.
Dang.
I see they still have you
She's a
babysitting the
She's
front
a
desk.
birdie. She's a birdie.
Be honest, are you cracking?
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think
She
if
sounds
I was
like
sick in your cruiser
Harley Quinn.
again.
What the flizzy, bro?
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Yeah, she definitely is a crack. Oh, it's this way. There we go. What's that? This guy? Oh, this is the guy.
Slater! Sir! I mean, Dick. Detective Slater. Sir!
Bro. What?
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
a good kid,
That's what I'm gonna
but
do.
your place is here, at the station.
No, actually, I'm gonna do that thing where you, like, get the little paper, and then get the straw, I'm gonna spit it in his neck. Put a picture of that up, by the way, editor. Please.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Nope, you're gonna keep pushing this button.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about the stapler.
Yeah, the stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. I mean, detective.
Yeah, you better be a good boy. Wait, I'm gonna do it right now. But hey, edit that, the little paper ball sticking to his neck.
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
Yes.
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
No, I don't believe
It
you.
could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick.
I'm afraid,
But
bro.
me?
Hey, don't call me that.
Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Oh, who's that guy? Her female. She looks creepy. I don't want to talk to her. Oh, is that me? Why do I look like that? I look so old. Oh, my
Well,
God.
I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the
Cornball.
Full Mooner Gooner
Cornball
case
alert. Cornball
back
alert.
in '79.
Yeah, city was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable.
Oh
Now
my
we've got
gosh,
a
this
new
guy
animal
might- this guy might
stalking
actually
these
be the goat.
streets.
This guy might actually be something.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's
Why does he sound like
escalating,
that? He sounds
and
dumb.
you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
What? You gotta be kidding me,
Don't get this
O'Brien.
cornball as my partner, dude.
You know I work alone. O'Brien?
Oh. Oh.
You just eat the donuts, bro. You're so fat, dude. Holy.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Oh my god, that's bad.
Ah, that's better.
Roger that, Chief.
Listen,
stepping,
Dick.
cornball.
The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
What does that even mean? What the frizzy, bro?
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get.
Gosh, I don't like this cornball today.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay,
Rule 2. If things go bad,
got it.
break either rule, I leave you.
Understood.
Another
Oh my God,
beautiful
that
night in
guy's
Carrion
ugly, dude.
City.
That guy's
I
scary.
could spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Bro, what? What is this weirdo
But I
talking
don't
about?
regret you, baby.
The
My
Jank
Jankwagon deserves
What the
nothing but the
frick?
best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust.
What is this guy on?
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
I have to play as this guy?
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's...
Oh, God.
Are you calling me on the shitter? Again?
Bro,
Disgusting!
what? What is he on? What is his boss doing, bro?
Alright, calm down.
Does he just do that on purpose, bro? What the freak? This guy's a freak. Outside the back. Is it back here? Oh no, it's not. It's back here. Sweet. Tell you what. Where are the mystery owners? Oh my god, what is that?
Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez! You scared the crap out of me, man! What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My, I do.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Please don't eat me, dude. Gosh, yeah, keep it stepping, punk. That's what I thought.
Just another night with another creep.
What am I doing? That actually looks nasty. This is how they make hot dogs? This is actually nasty. Why is there most of the meat flying? Ew. Now I'm just holding an uncooked wiener, dude. Oh my god. How do I let go of it?
Weaver is ready. 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 Weaver is ready.
Hey.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is.
How do I toast a hot dog bun? I need a toasted hot dog bun. What do I do? Right. Oh, okay. Give me a minute, sir. I'm trying to figure this out. I figured it out.
Weaver is ready. 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 Weaver is ready.
Where's the relish? Oh, this is the relish. Here you go, sir. Oh my god, what am I looking at? No, oh my, get away, bro. What? I hope they all don't do that, because that's actually weird. No, get out of my store now. Get out. What did I just watch? What? I'm actually kind of scared now.
Weaver is ready. 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 Weaver is ready.
Oh my
Weaver
god.
is ready. Weaver 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 is ready.
Oh, you could do that somewhere else, bro.
Weaver is
That's
ready.
actually nasty. Watch this Aura speedrun. Speedrun. Do they all do that? Dude, that's actually nasty. Oh my god.
Weaver is.
Here, bro. You can have a hot dog.
again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Nope.
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners?
Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Nope.
Why do you need staples this late at night?
Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Ah, perfect. Thank you.
And get out of my store now. Gosh. I made that for no reason. Oh, he's gone. Somebody just walk. Oh, okay. You want a wheelie? A wiener?
Wiener is ready.
Oh my god. Can you go do that somewhere? That is actually. Yeah, get and stay out, dude. Oh my. Somebody's walking. Okay, hello, gentlemen. Oh my god, don't rob me now.
Wiener is ready. Wiener.
Please, bro, don't rob me, bro. Here, you can have it for free. Take it for free. Oh my god. You can have it for free, bro. I don't... Okay, bro, just like, get out of here now. You can have it for free. I don't even care. That was scary. That's the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life. Can you walk any faster, dude? Get out.
Wiener is ready.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
Oh my god, she is a baddie.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
Oh my god. I just fell out of my chair.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's...
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are
Oh
both
my.
living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump.
Maddie alert.
I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh, you should be arrested
Riz.
for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Riz alert.
Have a
Riz
good shift,
alert.
Blair.
Dang. Ooga, ooga. Oh my god, he is back. Where'd he go? Oh my god, that might
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem? It seems you're all out of staples. I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you. Oh, that might be fun.
I don't think we'd be able to get him out of there.
I did
Outta here.
see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here. What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyway. Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet.
Oh my god. You better not clog the toilet, dude. I will murder you with my bare fist if you clog up that toilet.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
Oh my goodness.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I'd better.
Why is it so close to my face, bro? I don't. Oh my god, I can't hit it. Who unclogs a toilet like that? That toilet water just splashed into my eyeballs.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Oh my god, don't put your face next to it, idiot. Why is it shaking?
What the?
Oh my god. I just died from poop. Am I gonna play as baddie? Oh my god, I'm the baddie.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
Lucas, where are you, Lucas?
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Is that me? Oh my.
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Wait, where do I go? Okay, where's the microwave? Do I have to ask him to get it? Oh yeah, right here. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Lucas, you can go now.
All right, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Ugh. Wow, Lucas.
Weirdo.
Just wow.
Catch you later.
What is a ball feeder? I don't know what a ball feeder is. Is it one of these? Just I can't go back there. It doesn't let me. There we go. What was that about?
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder. I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
What the sussy? Oh my god.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this.
Creature. Do you want to purchase a lane?
I am here to purchase an experience.
What is that supposed to mean, buddy?
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
How is that like a fresh cut? What?
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a...
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
No need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6.
Go bowling, you freaking weirdo.
Total creep.
How do I polish it? Oh, this? all green? That guy's gone. Oh my god, I didn't. Not gonna lie, that kind of scared me. Why are you there?
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Where are the shoes at? These ones? Where are the shoes at? Where are the shoes? My hope, no, not.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
What did she do? That okay? What? That is not valid, bro.
That should do it.
Okay.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Why does she say it like that? Nudies? Noodles. He's gonna be in there, please. Don't be in there. I just want to eat my noodles. Thanks.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Oh my god. Oh, no, she's gonna I should have got my cup of noodies. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me.
You gotta listen to me. Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly. We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second. What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp? Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up. What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp. You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
Look away. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
Please don't do that.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear.
What? What do you mean?
Oh no.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying.
Please, don't.
Oh no, oh no. Don't hit it. The end. Is that what that says, I think? Oh my god. That is scary. Oh, ew. Is that toe skin? That's actually nasty. Alright, bro, there. That's the end today. What? That's why he wanted staples. Whoa, what happened?
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!